toucan.
Say it again one more time. I'm sorry.
A skull, a toucan. A skull, a monkey, or a toucan.
Well, I like monkeys, but I don't think you can have monkeys as pets. And squirrels live outside, so we can't have them as a pet. But a toucan, you might be able to have a toucan as a pet. What do you think?
Well, that's not a choice at all. All birds live outside. So none of those could be our pets.
I see. What animal do we like to watch? Oh, what about a fish?
Oh, how about a bunny? A pet bunny? Or a pet fish? Which one would you like?
I think I would like a pet fish.
And how about we have both of those pets?
A bunny and a fish?
Well, fishes with, do you know where fishes live?
Where?
They only live at your house if there's water, if there's a fish tank. Do you know what a fish tank is? It's full of water.
I do know what a fish tank is. Yeah.
And it's a rectangle, and then you put a fish in it.
That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
We could both have fish pets. There's two fishes. One's gonna be named Goggy, and one's gonna be named Max, and we can have two bunnies. One's gonna be named Goggy, one's gonna be named Max.
Well, that would be fun.
We can have two of each.
Will you feed them and take care of them?
Well, let's talk about what they eat.
Okay.